Hello and welcome back to another episode of our housing review series where we make house hunting feel less like a task and more like an adventure. If you enjoy detailed and honest project reviews, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Today we are taking a closer look at TVS Emerald Auralis, a premium residential project by TVS Emerald, located in the rapidly developing neighborhood of Thanisandra in North Bangalore. Spread across approximately 3.71 acres, the project is designed as a low-density community with 6 residential towers and around 393 thoughtfully planned apartments. It offers 2 and 3 BHK homes catering to young professionals, growing families, and home buyers looking for a modern lifestyle with premium amenities. Apartment sizes range from approximately 1,124 square feet to 1,920 square feet, providing spacious layouts with a strong focus on natural light and ventilation. Let's talk about pricing. The 2 BHK apartments start from around 1.14 crores, while the 3 BHK residences are priced up to approximately 2.3 crores, depending on the configuration, unit size, and floor preference. Now, one of the biggest advantages of TVS Emerald Auralis is its location in Thanisandra, one of North Bengaluru's fastest growing residential corridors. The project enjoys excellent connectivity to Manyata Tech Park, Hebbal, Outer Ring Road, and International Airport, making daily commutes convenient for working professionals. Residents also benefit from easy access to reputed educational institutes, leading healthcare facilities, and a range of shopping and entertainment options in the surrounding neighborhood. When it comes to amenities, the project offers a comprehensive lifestyle package. Residents get access to a modern clubhouse, swimming pool, fully equipped gymnasium, landscape gardens, jogging track, indoor games, co-working spaces, children's play area, multi-purpose hall, sports courts, along with dedicated spaces for senior citizens and community gatherings. From an investment perspective, Thanisandra continues to attract strong buyer interest thanks to its proximity to major IT hubs and improving road infrastructure. Ongoing development in North Bangalore has made this micro-market one of the city's most sought-after residential destinations for both end users and long-term investors. So if you're looking for a premium apartment in North Bangalore with modern amenities, spacious homes, and excellent connectivity to major employment hubs, TVS Emerald Auralis is definitely a project worth considering. That's it for today's review. I'll be back with more honest and detailed project reviews to help you find your next home. Till then, keep dreaming, keep scrolling, and remember, har house ke liye housing.